Hey, so if your browsing history in Brave keeps disappearing or recent websites aren't being saved, yeah, that can be really frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser history disappearing issues step by step. All right, first, make sure you're not browsing in a private window. Brave does not save history in private mode. Now open Brave settings and go to Privacy and Security to check if history-saving features are enabled. Check if Brave is set to clear browsing data automatically when you close the browser. Some privacy extensions can erase browsing history automatically, so disable suspicious add-ons temporarily. If you use Brave Sync, make sure history syncing is enabled on all devices. Now restart Brave completely. Yeah, sometimes the history database just needs to refresh. Make sure you're using the latest version of Brave. Older versions can sometimes corrupt history data. If your device storage is almost full, Brave may fail to save browsing history properly. If the issue still continues, reset Brave settings to restore the default history configuration. And yeah, that's it. Once these fixes are applied, Brave should save and keep your browsing history normally again.